There are two things to keep a wife happy. First, let her think what you're doing is her idea. Second is make it her idea.
Today is your day to celebrate your love with the people you love, and everyone is here today because they love you and support you.
Talon is the definition of a social butterfly, as evidenced by the amount of people that are gathered here with us tonight. He always had his door wide open and encouraged everyone to stop by whenever they could. Talon's infectious personality, sense of humor, looseness with money, and his fake ID made sure our friendship would continue to blossom. Your relationship was tested in the beginning with long distance, which has ruined many before, but you two instead decided to embrace the challenge and the adventure. You made your relationship grow through phone calls, FaceTimes, and weekly visits. That is no small feat, and you guys should feel proud about that.
Anyone who knows Gabrielle also knows her love for traveling. I'm very happy to say that she now has a new partner to travel with, someone to forever share adventures and laughter and stressful last-minute plans.
I, Talon.
I, Talon.
I take you, Gabrielle.
Take you, Gabrielle.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
I promise to be faithful to you.
I promise to be faithful to you.
In good times and bad.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love you and honor you all the days of my life.
To love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Gabrielle.
I, Gabrielle.
I take you, Talon.
Take you, Talon.
To be my husband.
To be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you.
I promise to be faithful to you.
In good times and in bad.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love you and honor you all the days of my life.
To love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I want to wish you both a long and happy marriage. Welcome to the family, Gabby. It's fantastic to have you. I know my wife is very happy that you two got together.
And now for the first time, I would like to introduce to you Mr. Talon and Gabrielle Zalli.
honestly seen nothing but love in your relationship, and I'm so happy for you guys, and I hope this wedding day is everything you've wanted.
Everyone, please raise your glass to the happy couple. Zarlings in eternity, always. That's for the culture.
Rick and Laura Lyons for raising this incredible woman that I now get to call my wife.